This meeting is being recorded.
Assalamualaikum and very good evening. We are from group 29B, and today my group and I gonna talk about causes and effect of rising temperature. Okay, first of all, we are gonna talk about what is rising temperature. Rising temperature, especially global warming, refers to the Earth's increasing average surface temperature primarily caused by human activities, like burning fossil fuels that release heat-trapping greenhouse gases like CO2 and methane into the atmosphere, creating an energy imbalance where the Earth absorbs more heat than it radiates back. That's all for the introduction.
So next, I will explain the causes of rising temperature. The first cause is burning fossil fuel. Burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas that we use every day for electricity, industry, and transportation. When these fuels are burned, they can release a large amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. When this carbon dioxide is greenhouse gas, which means it can trap heat from the sun. The more fossil fuel we burn, the more carbon dioxide we release and the more heat get trapped. For example, transportation like car and bus are burn petrol and diesel, or plant burn coal to generate electricity. And then factory burn natural gas activity add huge amount of greenhouse gas into the air. So it is the reason why the earth temperature keep rising. Thank you.
So next, we're going to go to effect, that is increased frequency of wildfire. So rising global temperature that caused by the burning fossil fuels will make a wildfire more common and more intense and hard to control. The rising temperature make wildfire happens more often. When the weather gets hot, plants and forests dry out and become easy to burn. Long heat wave and drought remove moisture from the soil, turning trees and grass into the fuel. Warmer air also bring more lightning and stranger winds, which help the fire start and spread quickly. Because of this, wildfires today are larger, faster, and more dangerous than before. Wildfires are not only destroy habitats and homes, they are release a huge amount of carbon at atmosphere and creating a dangerous cycle. The more wildfire burn, the more greenhouse gas are released and the faster the planet warms. Rising temperature is driven mostly by the burning of fossil fuels, and this warming increase the frequency of wildfire. So all of this has been documented by Agency National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration.
Okay, next, second causes is deforestation. What is deforestation? Deforestation is the clearing, destroying or otherwise removal of trees through deliberate, natural or accidental means. It can occur in any area densely populated by trees and other plants, but the majority of it is currently happening in the Amazon rainforest. The loss of trees and other vegetation can cause climate change, desertification, soil erosion, fewer crops, flooding, increase greenhouse in the atmosphere, and a host of problems for indigenous people. That's all.
The effect is a loss of biodiversity. When people cut down trees, many animals and plants lose their home. So this is we call habitat loss. Animals cannot find a food or cannot find a food, and some of them will die. So animals and plants may disappear forever. When this happens, the first loss is variety of life. Biodiversity means having many different animals and plants. When tree is list of biodiversity, the forest become a weak. So cutting trees make animals lose homes. Some species disappear, and their forests lose this variety. We must protect our forests so we can save animals and plants. That's all.
Okay, I'm gonna talk about conclusion based on both of those both of the section that my friend talk about. For the conclusion, deforestation and climate-driven wildfires reinforce each other, creating a cycle that worsens climate change. When forests are cleared or burned, they release large amount of carbon and lose their ability to absorb carbon dioxide. Rising temperature and prolonged drought then make wildfire more frequent and intense. This cycle damages ecosystems, reduces biodiversity, harms air and water quality, and creates long-term risks for human health, safety, and the economy. Protecting and restoring forests is essential to breaking this harmful cycle. So that's all for our conclusion. Thank you.
Okay, so that's all from our group 29B. And this is our references. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.